There is a gap opening up right now in the freelance market, and it is widening every single month. On one side, you have freelancers using AI as a force multiplier. They are taking on more clients, delivering faster, charging more, and building passive income on top of their active work. On the other side, you have freelancers doing everything the same way they did 3 years ago, and wondering why it is getting harder to compete. This video is about crossing to the right side of that gap. I'm going to show you 7 specific ways freelancers are using AI to double their income right now, with real examples, real tools, and real numbers. Let us get into it. Before we get into the 7 ways, I want to set one expectation. This is not about replacing your skills with AI. Your skills are what clients pay for. AI is what allows you to deliver those skills faster, to more clients, at a higher standard, without burning out. The freelancers doubling their income with AI are not doing less work. They are doing the same quality of work in half the time, then using the time they save to take on more clients or build income streams that do not depend on their direct time. Those are the 2 levers, more clients or more income streams. AI accelerates both. Here is how. The first way is to productize what you already do. If you are a copywriter, you probably write the same emails, landing pages, and ads repeatedly. If you are a designer, you probably follow a similar creative process for every client. If you are a developer, you build similar components again and again. AI lets you turn that repeatable process into a product. Instead of doing the work manually every time, you build an AI-assisted template, workflow, or toolkit once and sell it repeatedly. A copywriter who creates a cold email prompt pack and sells it for $10 is now earning money while they sleep. This is not about selling raw AI output. It is about packaging your expertise, your prompts, your workflow, your refinements. Your knowledge becomes the product. AI simply makes it scalable. Here is your action step. Write down the 3 most repetitive tasks in your freelance business. At least one of them can probably become a digital product within a week. The second way is simple. Use AI to deliver faster and take on more clients without working more hours. The math is straightforward. If a task that used to take 2 hours now takes 45 minutes because AI handles the first draft, you have just recovered over an hour. Multiply that across multiple tasks every week, and you create capacity for additional clients without extending your working day. The freelancers doing this are delivering the same quality of work, faster, and using the extra time to generate more revenue. Tools that make this possible include ChatGPT and Claude for writing, Canva AI for design, GitHub Copilot for development, 11 Labs for audio, and Perplexity for research. Almost every freelance category now has AI tools that dramatically reduce delivery time. The third way is one most freelancers overlook. AI does not just help you work faster, it helps you deliver more, and that justifies charging more. Imagine a social media manager who previously delivered 10 posts each month for $500. With AI, they now deliver 30 posts, a content calendar, a strategy document, and a monthly analytics report within the same working hours. Instead of charging $500, they charge $1,200. The client receives far more value. The freelancer earns more than twice as much. The hours stay the same. This is called packaging upward. Expand your deliverables, then price the package instead of your time. The key is to clearly itemize everything the client receives. The more visible the value, the easier it becomes to justify premium pricing. The fourth way requires a little more patience, but it has the highest long-term upside. Build a content engine. Whether that is YouTube, LinkedIn, or a newsletter, your content becomes an asset that attracts inbound clients, affiliate commissions, digital product sales, and sponsorships. AI makes this practical for a solo freelancer. Instead of creating every piece of content from scratch, you create one long-form piece each week. Then AI repurposes it into social posts, newsletters, threads, and short-form videos. One piece of content becomes many. The result is a consistent online presence without needing an entire content team. Over time, that audience becomes another source of income. The fifth way is one of the fastest-growing freelance opportunities: AI implementation. Businesses know they need AI. Most have no idea how to integrate it into their workflow. That creates demand for freelancers who understand AI tools and business processes. You audit a company's workflow, identify repetitive tasks, recommend AI tools, build simple systems, train the team, then charge a project fee. You do not need to be an AI engineer. You simply need to understand the tools, communicate clearly, and solve business problems. Those are already freelancer skills. The sixth way is affiliate income. Almost every AI tool you already use has an affiliate program. 11 Labs, Canva, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Notion, Jasper, and Pictory. If you are already recommending these tools in your videos, newsletters, or social media posts, every recommendation should include your affiliate link. It costs nothing to join these programs. Over time, those referrals become recurring monthly income layered on top of your freelance business. The final way is positioning. There is a growing segment of the market willing to pay more for AI-enhanced services. Not because AI is doing the work, but because AI allows you to deliver greater speed, depth, and consistency. A content agency can offer same-day turnaround. A consultant can produce deeper research. A designer can provide unlimited revisions. The client is not buying AI, they are buying better outcomes. AI simply makes those outcomes possible. When you position your services around results instead of hours, your income becomes disconnected from your time. And that is ultimately how freelancers double their income. Let me quickly recap. 1. Productize your expertise. 2. Use AI to serve more clients. 3. Expand your deliverables and raise your rates. 4. Build a content engine. 5. Offer AI implementation services. 6. Earn affiliate income from the tools you already recommend. 7. Position your services around outcomes, not hours. You do not have to implement all 7 today. Choose the one that fits your current business. Execute it this week, then move to the next. Small improvements compounded over 6 months can completely transform your freelance income. If you want the exact AI prompts behind these strategies, including the outreach prompts, proposal templates, and content repurposing system, they are all included in my AI prompt pack linked in the description. If this video gave you even one useful idea, subscribe. And let me know in the comments which of the 7 strategies you are starting with. I read every comment. See you in the next video.